Okay, today we try to install C compiler. So we'll be having different compilers for C programming. So we'll be using most popular compiler, that is a GCC compiler. So first what we try to do, we will try to search for GCC compiler. You can see in my tab I am showing my GCC 15.2.0. When I search the GCC 15.2.0 compiler, it can the first link it is showing GCC Win64 browse it is showing, because I will be using 64-bit operating system. So I will try to install for GCC Win64. If you are using 32-bit operating system, search for 32-bit. Most of the computers are 60-bit operating system only. So when you click this one, so you will be able to download GCC Win64. Here at the bottom you can see GCC 15.2.0 file is available. Simply what we try to do, you try to click here, automatically it will download. You can see it will going to download. Okay, so it is asking, so I can directly select my desktop and I can save here. Okay, just we need to click on save. So I already have a existing file, so I will try to replace it. I will click on S because I already downloaded, so for that reason it is asking me to replace. So it is still downloading. You can see it is around 78 MB. The total GCC 15.2.0 is 78 MB. So it's not a big issue. If you have a low internet or if you have a low data also, you can download the GCC compiler. You can see it was downloaded. Then I will try to open the corresponding file. You can see, just wait. Okay, you can see the file was downloaded. I will be going to corresponding location. So here my file was located in the desktop. So what I will try to do, I will try to right click on GCC 15.2.0 and I will extract to all. So it is asking me to extract. So it will take very few seconds to complete the extraction. So there is a file with the same name it is asking. Don't worry, just you click on copy and replace. If it is asks again, do this for all conflicts, copy and replace. So same thing you can perform. Okay, so it will be extracting. So the extraction is over. You can see I will have here GCC 15.2.0. Now so this is my extracted file. What I will try to do, okay, after extraction I have a very lengthy name, so it is not convenient for me. So what I will try to do, I will try to rename it. Right click on this folder, then rename. So I'll be renaming into GCC 15.2.0 only. So I will try to give I try to rename it GCC 15.2.0. Okay, now what is the next step? Now so I will try to open C folder. Okay, here in this PC I will go to my C folder. Here I will try to cut this GCC 15.2 from the desktop to my C folder. Simply I will try to copy into my C drive. Now GCC 15.2.0 was copied into C drive. Now I'll open this one, then I will go to bin. In bin I have a these files .exe file. What I will try to do, I will try to copy the location of this bin. So when I click at the top, so this is the location of bin here. After copying the location of the bin, so I will try to open control panel. So follow only this procedure. So lot of people are using different procedure, but if you follow this procedure, it is very convenient and it's 100% working. So open your control panel. Then in the search option, search control panel, you will type their environment, VR environment. Then we have an option is called edit the system environmental variable. So here we have a environmental variable. So again you select the environmental variable. Here we have a two options are available. User variables for the my user and system variables. What I will try to do, I will select path and I will click on edit option. Here you can see these are the locations are already predefined for Windows app. Now what I try to do, I will create a new location or path for my C compiler. So whatever I copied bin location, I am pasting it here and click on OK. So again in system variable, I will look for path. Here I have a path. Again, I will click on edit. So here also I will create a path for my C. I will click on new. I will paste the bin location. So I am creating a path, environmental path for my C compiler. Click on OK. Again OK. Then click on OK. Now, so this is very simple step how to install your GCC compiler into the C drive. Now we'll see how this will work. Now we'll see whether the GCC installed properly or not. What we'll try to do, we will try to open command prompt. So I'll be using shortcut Windows R. So I will type there CMD. Okay, then a command prompt is going to open in this way. So my user is Naim Sheikh. So I will try GCC hyphen version. When I press enter, you can see GCC 15.2.0 was installed. So it is a 2025 free software foundation. Okay, so you can see this is how your GCC was successfully installed. If you are getting any error, so that means your GCC is not installed properly. So what I am showing it here, if you follow the same procedure, you can easily install your GCC compiler in your system. After that, we will see how to run a C program with this GCC compiler. Now you can see I was uh, I was created a C program. So this is a C program for understanding area of the circle for menu sorry for understanding C programming, not menu calculator. So that is the basic structure of C program can be understood by this program. So what I try to do, so this is the code I was written. So you can see here the type of file it is C, but you can't see the extension at here. To see your extension, what we'll try to do, you go to view. Here we have a show option. In show we have a file name extension. When you click on file name extension, you can clearly see after menu there is a no extension is visualizing it here, but after clicking on file extension you can see .c is showing it here. So that means it is a C file. I will try to execute. You can see this C file I have in the desktop. I have a C folder. Here I have a menu C file. What I will try to do, so actually I'm in the name sheet user, so I will change my directory to CD desktop. Okay, I will be changing my directory to CD desktop. Now I am in CD desktop. When I type dir directories, so that means when I type dir, so there are whatever files folders are available in the desktop, it is showing. You can see there are different files are available, C journals, papers and the bleed system files are available. What I will try to do, I will change again my directory to uh, C. folder. So when you click on CD capital C, so now I am in C directory. You can see capital C directory. I want to see again what are the files available in C folder. I will type the dir, enter. You can see I have a uh, you can see I have only one file which is nothing but menu.c file is available. What I will try to do, I will try to run this file. So the code to run this one is GCC space I will type their file name menu.c. Okay, you can see GCC menu.c. GCC is a compiler, menu.c is a file name. When I press enter, you can see a.exe file was created. Okay, this is a.exe file was created. I want to run this one. How I can run? Simply I will type there a. When I press enter, you can see it is asking enter the radius of the circle. Simply if I type 5, radius of the circle 5, so it is giving me area of the circle is 78.54 square units. So this is how we can execute a C file with the help of GCC compiler. Now not only you can get a.exe file. Now what I will try to do, I need a output file with my own with my own name. So what I will try to do, GCC menu.c. So this is the file. Then I need output -o. I need output with a file name, my name. So I'll be giving the output file as a. You can see there are no files are available at here in this folder. When I enter this one, you can see a name.exe file was generated here. I will try to execute that one. I will simply type name, enter. Now you can see again it is asking same thing, enter the radius of the circle. I will be entering same value for better understanding. 5. You can see it is also giving 78.5. It is similar to previous one. So this is how we can install GCC 15.2.0 compiler and how we can run a file with the help of GCC compiler. Okay, thank you.